In the ancient times, a king decided to place a boulder in the middle of the road and step aside on one side of the road to watch what people do to this huge boulder that was placed in the middle of the road to block people from walking peacefully. Some of the wealthiest merchants in the kingdom and the courtiers of the king walked around the boulder without doing anything. Many people in the kingdom blamed the king, and he eavesdropped them talking about his kingdom and his rule that not making the roads clear. But none of them did anything to move the boulder. Not until a peasant came along carrying a load of vegetables. And upon approaching the boulder, the peasant laid down his burden and tried to push the stone out of the road. He tried and tried and tried until he finally, after pushing and straining, was able to move the boulder to the side of the road. And after he went back to pick up his vegetables, he discovered a purse of golden coins with a note from the king that says, "This is for the man or the woman who is able and had the power and courage to move the boulder to the side of the road." The moral of the story is, while we face so many challenges and see people complain about these challenges, other people create opportunities by their failure the first time and second time through these challenges. They create opportunities to grow and succeed. With their kind-heartedness and altruism, people can excel and be better for themselves and for other people.